всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood and to my wonderful kitchen. I'm so excited to show you today this delicious vegan cookie dough cake. It's so good, it's moist, it's soft, it's delicious, and it has a lot of chocolate in there. I absolutely love it, and I've given it to my friends. Nobody could guess it was vegan, and it's so yummy. So let's get baking. First thing we're gonna do is make our flax eggs. So into your flaxseed, add your warm water and just mix everything together and set this aside for 10 to 15 minutes to activate. Then add your almond butter into a bowl together with coconut sugar and vanilla extract. Almond milk, you can use any milk that you like. And over here I've got all my dry ingredients. I'll list them in my recipe. You just want to give them a good mix, but we've got plain flour, salt, baking powder here, everything. Now my flax egg is done. You can see it has thickened a little bit, just like so. You then want to add that into your mixture, into your main bowl. And we're going to whisk this on medium speed until all the ingredients are incorporated and mixed through. So just go ahead and just break down your butter in case it's a bit, tough, and keep mixing until your mixture is nice and smooth. Just like this. Beautiful. Then you want to add all your sifted dry ingredients and mix everything together with a spatula. Now just go ahead and mix everything until the ingredients come together. You could also add half of your dry ingredients first and then add another half. I just kind of do it all in one bowl method, so it's super quick and easy. And just keep going until your dough starts to form. And oh my gosh, this is such an amazing cookie dough. So once everything is mixed through, you're then going to go ahead and add your vegan chocolate chip cookies. If you want to add anything else in here, you totally can. You can add raisins or crushed cookies. It's completely up to you. I just love the chocolate in here, and I highly recommend you add that into the mixture. Once everything is mixed through, I'm going to use this mold, but you can use literally any mold that you want. You can use a cake pan or a pie tin. What's important is to spray it around the sides and the corners so it's not sticky. And then you want to add your cookie dough mixture into your mold. And then I'm using my wet hands to spread it around the edges, as the mixture is very sticky, but if you wet your hands, it's much easier to work with this dough. So just kind of push it around the corners, in the middle, and just go ahead. If your hand becomes sticky again, just wet it a little bit and just keep repeating until you finish up with your pie. And of course, we're gonna add more vegan chocolate all over the cake, and you can add as much or as little as you want. I love chocolate, so I'm gonna add quite a lot of chocolate buttons on top. And I'm also adding some crushed Biscoff cookies for extra crunch. If you want, you can do that, or you can completely exclude this step as well. Just make sure you press inside so it's all sealed. And then we're going to bake these for about 25 to 35 minutes. And oh my gosh, it looks so good, guys. Absolutely fantastic. You can see the chocolate is bubbling and melting. And I can't wait to show you how it looks inside, but it smells incredible in this kitchen. What you want to do is loosen the cake from the tin with your knife. So just go around the edges and loosen it a little bit. And then once it has fully cooled down, you can take it out of your mold. And I just love it the way it is because I can get these delicious slices. The cake is very, very soft, very moist, and oh my god, there's so much chocolate inside and on top. I'm literally salivating, and it's completely vegan, and oh my gosh, you're gonna love this. So if you've got any vegan friends, you can make this. They're not even gonna know if you don't have even vegan friends. So the cake keeps really, really moist and very delicious. You could also add some nuts in here and any other fillings that you personally love. Just look at that, how soft and delicious it is. Enjoy!